everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Chat GDB. I am Arshia Daryani, and I have here with me today a very special guest, a trendsetter, a go getter, and a leader who has left her mark in GDB. Give it up for our school captain, Surneet Kaur. Today, she's here with us to share her experience and how the memories she has made in GDB has shaped who she is. So, Surneet, welcome once again. And how are you feeling? You know, excited, nervous, maybe, ready to take on the world?
Thank you so much, Arshia. I'm really happy to be here today. And you could say I'm feeling a mix of all those emotions at once: excitement, nostalgia. I mean, GDB has been my home for 14 years. And as much as I'm ready to spread my wings and take over the world, it's really a new experience to leave the comfort of your home and go. But I would love to know what you have in store for me.
Surely, that's going to be really fun. We're going to enjoy and have a good time today. And no doubt that you've excelled as a school captain. But your dedication, your enthusiasm, and the passion, and all the hard work that you've put in has seriously left a lasting impression on the school. And how was that experience for you? I would really like to know.
Being the school captain has been a truly enriching experience. It has taught me so many things: responsibility, teamwork, and I would say most importantly, it taught me how to never give up. Representing the school on multiple platforms, managing activities within the school itself, all of this has been so rewarding. And these are lessons that I will take away with me for my entire life.
14 years in one school, that's truly an incredible journey. And in all these 14 years, there must be memories which are probably etched in your mind and heart forever. So, any such, memories of yours, I would love to know. In fact, I think those watching would also really like to know.
So, I've been an enthusiast for drama throughout my journey, and GDB is the place that has given me the avenue to excel in it. So, you could say the most unforgettable moment in my life here would be when my vision of performing a great act came true on Teachers' Day when we performed the Mahabharat play. I really hope the teachers enjoyed it because for us it was like a dream come true.
I'm sure the teachers must have loved your performance. And, I could visualize you speaking about it and, the performance because truly, school events are so much fun for all of us, in fact. They say that the school that you go to, your schooling, it shapes you as a person, the place, the ethics, the morals. And how has it shaped you as a person?
Honestly speaking, GDB has molded me into the human being I am today. From positive values to leadership skills to this inherent drive of never wanting to give up, GDB is the place that has taught me to learn from experience. And it's like they've held my hand, taught me how to walk, and now I'm more than ready to fly.
Truly, I, I, I really feel you when you say that because I think it's the same for me too. And I think almost all students from the school because truly everything we are today is because of the school that we go to.
Definitely.
14 years in like one place, it's like a chapter of your life and it's coming to an end. You're like so close to the finish line. How has that journey been and how are you feeling now that it's coming to an end?
Like I said, it's truly a mix of both. I mean, I wouldn't lie, I am excited about the future and the opportunities ahead of me. But there's a deep sense of nostalgia. GDB has been the most significant part of my life. And the thought of leaving all this behind and moving ahead is a little scary, but I'm sure the memories and lessons will stay with me. And if I still ever want to know what's going on inside the school, I have you all.
Truly, we will always have your back. And what about us, your juniors? Any words of wisdom for us who will be graduating in 2026?
To my juniors, honestly, make memories here. Take part in activities, challenge yourself. Don't shy away. Always be confident to make your place wherever needed. Work really hard, stay humble at the same time, support each other like you always do, and most importantly, make the most of your time here because these years just fly by before you can even realize.
Truly, we have like 1 year left, and now it's suddenly getting very real. If you had to sum up GDB in a few words, what would you say?
GDB is not just a school where you come, learn, take exams, and leave. It's a foundation that brings out the best in you. It's a place which teaches you how to reach great heights and stay grounded at the same time. It's no less than a family itself.
Truly, we are all very grateful to be a part of this very big, very welcoming, and very warm family that we call our home, GD Birla Center for Education. Thank you so much, Sarneet, for being here with us today. We had an amazing time. I hope that y'all who are watching, you also enjoyed, the chat, the conversation we had today. And on the behalf of GD Birla Center for Education, we wish you and your entire batch all the very best and make us proud in the best possible way. And I think that's a wrap for today. That was us straight from the premises of GD Birla Center for Education to you. Stay happy, stay focused, and stay inspired. Till the next episode, this is Chat GDB.